This question can be solved in two ways. Let's take the first method. The first method is by taking the roots. What are the roots? It said find the equation, find the roots of, the roots of the equation are these, and these are the two roots. So we have just these two roots. So the first one is taking the roots. X is equal to 1 over 2. X again is equal to minus 2 over 3. These are the two roots. So you equate this. Now equate each of them to 0 to 0. That gives us this times this gives us 2x is equal to 1, and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. That's the first one. Take the second one also. This times this gives us 3x is equal to minus 2. Then bring this here. This one gives us 3x plus 2 equals 0. These are the two. So with that, what do we have? We have two linear equations that are equal to 0. So both of them can multiply to become 0. That gives us 2x minus 1 bracket 3x plus 2 equals 0. If you expand this one, you're going to get this multiplied by this. This one gives us 6x squared. This times this plus 4x. This and this gives us minus 3x. This one gives us minus 2 equals 0. So with that, you're going that 6x squared, 4x minus this gives us plus 1x minus 2 equals to, therefore 6x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. That's method 1. If you like this method, good for you. If you don't like it, you can use the second method, which is the formula method. Formula method is saying that for every, if they are giving it, if you have two roots of an equation and you're given two roots, you can apply the formula directly by getting the sum and the product. And what does that mean? It means that x squared minus sum of the roots multiplied by x plus product equals 0. What does it mean? Where is the sum? What are the sum of the roots? So you ever get the sum of the roots? What are the sum of the roots? Sum will now be equal to this and this, 1 over 2 plus minus 2 over 3. And that equals to, LCM is 6. So this and this, add them together. What does it mean? Add them together. This and this, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Plus this and this is 2. 2 times this was minus 4. And that gives us minus 1 over 6. That is sum of the roots. If you take the product of the roots, that's multiply them times minus 2 over 3. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. That gives us minus 1 over 3. So we've got the sum and the product. So applying into this formula, that gives me x squared, then minus sum of the product. That's minus 1 over 6 multiplied by x plus product, sum of the roots rather, equals 0. And that gives us something very sweet. X squared, this and this gives us plus 1 over 6x, then minus 1 over this times this is plus times minus equals 0. Multiply through by this is LCM of these two denominators are 6. Multiply each of them by 6. 6 multiplied by this one gives us 6x squared plus 6 multiplied by this one cancels this one gives us 1x minus 6 multiplied by this one times 2 gives us 2 equals 0. So 6x squared. So we say 6x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. So, and that's the same thing with this. So the option is option D. So whatever the case is, the option is option D. So whatever method you like, you use, and your examiner, that gives you the answer. Cheers.